Upgrade your connection with the SafeView Smart Power Inlet, available in 30 or 50 amp, and your choice of black or white. SafeView isn't just smart, it's safety made visual. This advanced power inlet detects nearly every potential pedestal wiring issue, from open ground to reverse polarity and more. When everything checks out, the ring glows solid white and all LED indicators shine green, giving you instant peace of mind. But if a problem is detected, the ring pulses red and the LED lights show you exactly what's wrong. No tools, no guesswork. With RVIA now requiring new RVs to detect open ground and reverse polarity, SafeView is leading the way, meeting and exceeding the latest safety standards. ETL certified and built for real-world conditions, SafeView includes nickel-plated contacts, a water-resistant design, and a secure twist lock connection. It installs easily as a retrofit and is trusted by top OEM manufacturers. Smart, safe, and built to last. Choose SafeView Smart Power Inlets by Watchdog. Power with confidence.